They say that you don't make any friends with salad. With my secret weapon, you're gonna make salad so friendly that everybody's gonna love you. And to make the best dressing, you need the dressing on the yard. So this is gonna be easy, convenient, and absolutely amazing. Everything is all about proportion. So you have some fat and some beautiful acid. That's what a vinaigrette is made of. So as long as you remember the balance, so 3 parts of oil, 1 part of acid, vinegar in this case. Could be vinegar, could be lemon juice, could be kimchi. Something is really, really sharp. If you get the balance properly, it will be perfect. And this is how you do it. So we're trying to put 1 part of the vinegar. This is white wine vinegar. It's almost like making a cocktail, and that's how amazing and fun this is. Now, the oil. So that's the 3 parts of oil, 1 part of vinegar. And now when we get cheeky with it, put some flavor in. I'm gonna do Maestre, just because I can and I love it. So 1 tablespoon of that. Emulsification is 2 different densities combined together by movement. My favorite thing in the world. Let's do a little bit of honey as well, just to balance the sweetness. And now we are going to shake it. DJ, spin that disc. Stop. Hammer time. Without doing much of a hard work, just a little bit of a shake and bake. We got the most amazing vinaigrette ever. Creamy, delicious, tasty. And who say that you don't make friends with salad? You wanna be my friend?